Hello, my name is Teacher Shen, and today we are going to learn all about germination.
Hello, my name is Kasintorn. Today we learn about germination.
Okay, we're going to get our items ready to grow our plant. What do we need first, Putinez?
First, we need soil for growth.
Very good, excellent. What else do we need, Aiden?
We need flower pot to hold the plant.
Flower pot to hold the plant. What else do we need, Baba? Of course we need water. Very good. Is that it? What else do we need, Baba? Most important is the seed, of course. Cannot grow a plant without seeds. Okay, Putinez, let's put the soil in our flower pot. Good. Lots of soil. More soil. Okay, I think that should do. Okay, well, let's plant our seed. The question in here? Inside the soil. Into the soil. What else do we need?
Water.
Of course, water, yes. Let's put some water. Lots of water, okay. That should do the trick. Okay, now we wait.